What you're seeing here today in Berlin, Connecticut is a storms material satellite set up to service hundreds of line crews on a daily basis with material needs. Crews will be coming through here to pick up poles, cross arms, cable, everything needed to restore power for our customers. And we have 6 of these right now across Connecticut. 6 in addition to our 15 storerooms. So there's 21 material sites in Connecticut supporting this outage. And our team behind the scenes, working with procurement, materials analysts, facilities, IT, they get us ready to go and get us replenished to keep the crews moving out. And we'll be here from early morning till late at night, and the rest of the crews work out of the work centers all night long, and we're not going to leave here until we're done. I'm from New Hampshire, but we're Eversource, Connecticut today, working with all our counterparts to get power back up for our customers.